Loading your slow-paying invoices with MYOB is an easy process, and here's a quick tutorial on exactly what you need to do. Head to our website and click on Login in the top right screen. You'll then get taken to our login area. Fill in your details. If you happen to have forgotten your password, don't worry. Click on that button, Forgot Your Password, and you'll be able to reset it straight away. Pop your password details in and click on Login. Then all you need to do is head up to Load a Debt. Accept our terms and conditions. And then you will go across to Load from Essentials. Now, initially, you will be taken to the MYOB page where you have to put in your login and password in there as well and accept that EC Credit Control can look after your account. From there, you just choose the invoice that you do want to load in, and then you click on Submit. You'll see a message comes up that your debt has been loaded successfully. And if you want to see your invoices that you've loaded, just click up there on View All Debts. And a list will come up there and you'll see the invoice that we've just loaded appears at the bottom of the screen. It's as easy as that. If you do find that you do need some information or you want a little bit of help with this, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service team who will be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.